Here we have the Beats Wireless. I think this is the Beats Wireless 2. I do not know the exact model on this one, but customer brought it in because the charging port is not working. He's not able to charge his headphones. Now we're gonna be working with one side of the headphones. We do not have to open both sides because the charging port is here. The top part is glued to this part here. So all we have to do is we just have to break the glue. Okay. Okay, right there. I'm gonna take a minute to remove all the screws. That's Big Boss's job, to take apart the stuff, but he's busy doing something else. Hi, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
All right, what's going on?
Good, my husband told me to come pick up my phone.
We're gonna remove this piece here, and that's the charging port, or the charging board, where the charging port solders onto. And we take it out like this. So how many wires do we have soldered onto this board? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can desolder those cables, but we have to mark where each one is going to. It's difficult working on this board if we do not desolder those wires first. Let's see if it's possible. It's gonna be hard. I mean, look at this. I do see issues with the port. Oh, you see how it's loose? We do not know if the pad is good or if the pad is broken off the board. Look at this, all the pins are loose. Yeah, I think we are missing the pads from the board. Oh, look at this. We are missing this pad, this. We are missing a lot of pads. Let's clean the rib pads from this board. To secure that connector in place, I'm going to apply solder on the middle pad here. and then we'll secure the legs from the back and we'll work on the front pins. So let's do this right now. The port is solid in place. To make it even more solid, we're gonna solder the legs from the back, and then we'll come to the front pins and fix those. Now we have to fix the front pins. Based on our initial inspection, this pin does not connect to anything. We do not see any trace for that pin, so we're gonna leave it like this. This one here, we're gonna have to somehow connect this pin with the area that we scratched here. The same thing with the other one, and the same thing with the other one. This is a very small and tight area, so let's see how we're gonna get in there. I'm gonna pre-apply solder onto the areas that we scratched and onto the pins so we can make the job easier. I mean, as you can see, we can barely see the pins under that connector. I have the board holder at an angle so we can see those pins. And one more to go. Let me just clean up a bit so we can see what was done. Okay, and everything is good. And the connector is not going anywhere. We secured it from the bottom of the connector. We secured it from back of the board. And those wires are not going to have any stress on them because the connector is very solid on the board. Okay, and the job is done. Let's go over this one more time. We have the red here, we have the green here, we have the red here, we have the black here, and we have the copper here. The copper is a little bit high. Maybe we can lower it down a bit. Just to make everything look nice and tidy. Very good. Very nice. Very nice. And look at that. We can see the light here. It's being charged right now. And the charging rate is 0.53. Awesome. Let's play one of our videos and test. I'm pointing the microphone onto the left side of the headphones. And now we're gonna point it at the right side.
She tried to fix it and she pushed it in even more, and now she cannot.
Awesome, awesome. Everything is working. We're gonna call the customer to come and pick up. The headphones are being charged right now. We're gonna have to glue this piece here, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and we'll do something else in the next video.